Montsame News Agency informs.
Prime Minister Khurelsukh took part in the ceremonial meeting for International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers, paying respects to military servicemen of the Mongolian Armed Forces who engaged in peacekeeping missions, and delivered a speech. Every year, May 29th is marked as the International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers. In 2002, Mongolia started taking active part in the operations to safeguard world peace and security. Since then, a total of 17,000 blue helmets have served in peacekeeping missions. The International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers aims to honor professional skills and efforts of peacekeepers and commemorate fallen uniformed and civilian personnel. As of today, more than 100,000 peacekeepers from 125 countries are serving in 14 operations of the United Nations. Mongolia is 26th contributor to UN peacekeeping.